Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send USDT to Telegram wallet. First of all, open the Telegram application. Make sure that the Telegram application is updated to its latest version. On the home screen, tap on the hamburger icon available at the top left corner. A side menu will appear. Tap on the wallet option. Your Telegram wallet will appear. Now follow these steps to proceed further. Once you are in the Telegram wallet, you will see different options. Tap on the dollars option. On the next screen, tap on the receive option. Then select the USDT network on which you want to make the transaction. You can choose between TRC20 or Tone. Make sure to select the Tone network. Then tap on the continue option at the bottom. Next, a QR code will appear. Tap on the copy option available below it. The code will be copied. After that, open your Trust wallet or any other wallet from which you want to send USDT to Telegram wallet. On the home screen, scroll down and tap on the option USDT. On the next screen, tap on the send option. Next, you will see a field named as address and domain name. Paste the previously copied code here, then enter the amount you want to send. Lastly, tap on the next option at the bottom. After that, USDT will be sent to Telegram wallet. And this is how you can send USDT to Telegram wallet.